Okay, so just been to the shops, let them give them my number, make sure that if there's any grannies or anyone who's stuck, they can just call and I'll go to the shops for them. Walking in snow is hard, especially when it comes up almost to your knee. I love this. It's just glorious. There's a couple of people who are out, but not much. Not many, sorry. Not much. So I'm going to go back and check this woman's whose bit of her roof blew off just now. She's the lady who has the chickens. When I first got here, she had about 30 little chicks, and now they're big chickens. So I'm going to go and see if there's anything she needs. And then we go home, have a coffee, and maybe some soup.